Every year we used to produce 150 million used tires all over the world. If this number is broken down, there are 2850 vehicles every passing minute tires goes rid off. This is the world's largest tire dumping graveyard based in Kuwait. Used tires from all over the world have been collected here for the past 20 years. They can be seen in the aerial footage. It will present something like this spread over thousands of acres. This graveyard is so large that it is amazing that it can be seen from space. If it was a third world developing country, it would have been understood. Kuwait, that is one of the richest countries in the world. What is the use of keeping used tires there? And someone from the last 20 years, why are they being collected continuously, and in what function these tires are being used? Welcome to the channel. Viewers, an average car runs 30 to 40,000 kilometers run, and after that it goes useless, or often we see them on the side of the road. Other car materials can simply be recycled. But because tires are made by mixing rubber and sulfur, that's why it's a consideration that can't be done. Second, recycling it, dangerous gases are produced, and even in the countries of Europe, putting it in the garbage is illegal. So now most Western countries send billions of tires every year to Kuwait to get them to get rid of. The tires here spread over 1,000 square meters in the middle of this Sulaibiya tire graveyard. It's not a mountain of tires here, but it's about 50 feet. Blinds are made where they are being dumped. These used tires of 1,000 kilograms are being bought in just 1 Kuwaiti dinar and stored here. While Kuwait has been doing this work for many years, as time passes, it took the form of a graveyard, which now can be easily seen from space. According to government officials, about 70 million tires are present here. Kuwait is a very rich country financially, that much rich that the currency of Kuwaiti unit, that is 1 Kuwaiti dinar, is equal to $3.3. The world was very curious about that, how a country like Kuwait could collect a scrap of tires while there was still no disposal of them. They have been taken, not a single one, to get it recycled. Nor did Kuwait lack money, so they were buying them in the value of pennies, while actually the government also had no plan. Finally, an incident happened here, after which someone official looked into it and they started to take it seriously. From 2012 onwards, the tires got themselves under fire several times because the number of tires was huge in the number, so the fire could spread rapidly, and controlling it was a difficult task to do. That was the reason why they separated tires in the first place into different squares and made it clear that in this case it could be controlled. But after that, the fire could not stop. The clouds of black smoke not only harmed the humans but also used to produce harmful gases. But it was also affecting the city of Al Jarrah, and people had to suffer. To see how it was affecting, see the satellite image. A small square caught fire. Now think, if this fire in the whole graveyard had spread, how much damage would it cause to the environment? International community also pressurized Kuwait due to these accidents, because these gases are unfiltered in the atmosphere. At last, after so much time in 2017, Kuwait decided what to do. In containers, these tires were sent for recycling and eventually brought the new style to get work from them. There are 3 things in a normal tire: rubber, carbon, and steel wire. First, through the process of the pyrolysis plant, tires are melted, and afterward melted rubber is turned into gas, then cooled, and used as fuel later, then left over remains carbon and steel wires. Keeping aside the carbon, the steel wires are cooled and sent to a recycling facility. There have been many other ways to recycle the tires. One is known as shredding. Tires are shredded and turned into powder form, which is later used in construction to make rubber tiles. A few years back, the Sulaibiya tire graveyard turned empty in 2021, which is now can be seen like this in satellite image. Even today, 4 billion tires are dumped into different countries of the world. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribing to the channel would be appreciated. Have a nice day.